to 29301 Wolf Road. We're just steps away from Bay High School, up the street from Crocker Park, and a few minutes away from the lake. Let's go take a look. Take a look at this incredible back patio. Perfect for entertaining. You have an oversized deck overlooking the Porter Creek, a brand new hot tub, and a new fenced-in yard. This first floor has a perfect open layout featuring a dual-sided gas fireplace shared with the owner's suite. This walkout basement features 2 large bedrooms, ample storage, along with a temperature-controlled wine room.